Hi everyone, welcome back to Clarity Reset Method. I'm Valentina Su and mom of two navigating my own 50s with hopefully a little more clarity each day. Today we are talking about anxiety, what it really is, why it happens, and how we can actually heal through it. So take a breath, get comfortable, and let's begin. And finally, let's talk about the one almost everyone listening tonight has felt anxiety. Anxiety in your body alarm system, a state of heightened worry, tension, or fear, often about something that hasn't even happened yet. It can show up as racing thoughts, a tight chest, restlessness, or a constant sense that something bad is about to occur. Why does anxiety happen? Your nervous system is designed to protect you from danger, but in modern life, it often can't tell the difference between a real threat and an imagined one. A work deadline, and an unanswered text, an uncertain future. Your body can respond to this the same way it would respond to physical danger. Because uncertainty itself feels unsafe to your brain. Anxiety also builds from unresolved stress that's been stored rather than released. From a mind that's trying to control outcomes it can actually control, and sometimes from old experiences where being cut off got led to real harm. So, your system stays on high alert, trying to prevent that from ever happening again. Anxiety isn't your body malfunctioning, it's your body working exactly as designed, just over protecting you. So, what helps? First, ground in the present, not the prediction. Anxiety almost always lives in the future. Bringing your attention back to right now, your breath, your feet on the ground, five things you can see, interrupts that spiral. Second, regulate the body before the mind. You cannot think your way out of a nervous system in fight or flight. Slow breathing, movement, cold water on your face. This calm the body first, then the mind can follow. Third, separate possibility from probability. Ask yourself, is this likely or just possible? Anxiety treats every possibility like a probability, and that distinction alone brings enormous relief. Fourth, reduce, don't eliminate. Uncertainty. You never can remove all uncertainty from life. The goal isn't a guarantee, it's building your capacity to tolerate not knowing. My clarity reset for anxiety is this: your anxious thought is not a prophecy, it's a prediction. And predictions can be wrong. When anxiety rises, place a hand on your chest and say, I am safe at this moment. Not because everything is resolved, but because right now, in this exact second, you are okay. That's it for today's reset. If even one part of this spoke to you, sit with it. You don't have to apply everything at once. Just one small step is enough. If this helps, subscribe so you don't miss the next episode and drop a comment letting me know what's on your mind. I read everyone. Until next time, this is Valentina reminding you clarity isn't something you find, it's something you build. See you soon.